Dad, why did you reject it?
Do you know what position he left for you? Pier oil storage?
He wants me to be a storeman? But I'm still in my prime here. He might just well have me work as a guard in Donghai.
No, wait just a second. Can he even do that? Chanli's a deputy secretary.
What's wrong with oil storage? He's at least a section head. And stop being so damn picky.
Oh, so you're taking his side now?
Oh, keep it down. You're making too much noise.
Like it matters. You really want to take care of that guy's kid? If it wasn't for our family, that no-good technical goof, he'd just be digging ditches today.
Enough! This discussion is over. I'll be the one to deal with Song Yunhui.
What can you do when he doesn't even want to do it for you?
Do it yourself, then!
So anyways, you promised Yuan Shang to move us to Donghai's procurement department. If you can't do it, tell her yourself.
Chen Li, don't tell Yuan Shang about tonight's phone call.
I know. I'm not stupid.
You're leaving?
I am. See you, Dad.
How on earth did it get to this point? Is it still possible?
Mr. Song just called. He's still handling the dial anomaly of the core reactor in the first workshop. He can't attend the meeting.
All right. I'll chair this meeting then. So a major incident happened at the ancillary pier. We should hold those accountable and find out the real cause of the incident. Comrade Chang Xiao, give us a full account of the events that started this incident.
Yes. I already prepared the report. Just see for yourself.
Huh?
Mr. Song, I'm Jin Chang Xiao from the pier.
Oh, what's the matter?
Last night, the workers from our pier had a dispute with the port machinery workshop. I did a report overnight and brought it here for you to read.
Didn't Mr. Ma already hold an emergency meeting this morning to deal with that?
He did. Mr. Ma and Mr. Han already had a meeting. Oh. Well, this matter might delay the assembly of the port machinery. Since you are the one in charge of operations, I thought you should know what's going on here.
All right, leave that there.
Well, if there won't be anything else, I'll get back to the pier.
Hold it. Does Mr. Ma know that you sent me the report?
Of course. It was sent from Mr. Ma's office.
Zhao's going to be writing the optimal capacity solution. You'd better get to work on it.
Yes, of course. I'll send it just as soon as it's completed.
How formal of you to be knocking first.
I just came from Ma's office.
What's the matter now?
It's regarding the head of the pier. Our team has 5 guys. He wants to choose Jin, but only he and Gao have some pretty solid votes at the moment. So he really wants me to support him. Actually, I got a pretty good impression of Zhao as well. But he was at the scene when the fight happened, at the port machinery workshop. I guess he'll be held accountable.
It's not a big deal, is it? I've met Zhao a few times now. He's quite honest.
So are you leaning towards Zhao? Did Han see you?
I don't know either Jin or Zhao very well. Maritime transport just isn't my specialty. I'm neutral on this case. I'll just see who can produce the optimal capacity solution.
Oddly enough, that was what I said to Mr. Ma just now. I'm simply a finance guy here, and an obvious amateur in this aspect. I suppose we'll be following the lead from the technicians once you've voted. That's the plan, right?
So we'll be practical and choose the candidate based on their proposals.
That's right. Regarding the Phase 2 equipment budget that you mentioned, I just calculated past quotations from the Japanese supplier per your request. I'll have to send it to you later, all right?
Wait, you figured that out already?
Isn't there currently an embargo? Can we still buy foreign products?
Director General Liu mentioned to me before that the embargo on Japan might be lifted. We should prepare in advance.
Director General Liu has good foresight. We can't go wrong if we follow his decision. We can't go wrong.
Wait, Liu. What exactly is the rough budget if the Phase 2 equipment is mainly made in Japan?
At the moment, it's $20 million. US.
Xiaocheng, you're so good.
What's the matter, Madam Pei?
I heard that you got on the new list of pioneers. How did you do it? Go on, tell me. Madam Pei, why are you chatting while working? I'm not. I asked Xiaocheng about some work-related matters. Oh. I gave Xiaocheng her pioneer status. If you have any opinions, you can tell me. Well, in that case, I feel that I guided Xiaocheng in the moral assessment. If she's on the list, I should be on it too, right?
Hold on, Madam Pei. You only changed a few key points in the notice. I practically wrote the rest by myself.
Well, Madam Pei, this time our new comrade Xiaocheng very much slogged through for over a month, and she was dedicated. Shouldn't we all give her the encouragement? And I want everyone to know that our section here is a collective. We progress together. Understood? Yes, we're a collective. Good. Madam Pei, you are a senior after all. Mind your behavior. And always work for the good of the group. If you feel the need to speak out, just talk to me first. Hmm? Of course.
Goodbye, Madam Shui.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Xiaocheng. Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye. Sister Shui?
Yes?
I just wanted to thank you for the help.
Oh, Xiaocheng, I sincerely wanted to give you this pioneer status. Do you blame me for getting you into trouble?
No, of course not. I haven't won any awards since I started working. I should thank you for that.
How will you thank me then?
Let me buy you dinner tonight.
What about your husband? You always rush off anxiously after work to cook dinner for that man.
Oh, come on.
How about this? Let's get our husbands to come along with us tonight. The four of us can dine together, so they wouldn't be starving at home when we eat at the restaurant. Sounds good?
This is too last minute. My husband has been busy lately and doesn't get off work until after 9. Why not ask him some other time?
Sure. Why didn't you say so? Come on, let's go out for dinner.
Hey, what about your husband?
Oh, please forget him. He can go eat at the cafeteria.
Are you sure?
Yes, come on, let's go, let's go. What do you want to eat?
Anything you want.
Yeah, hello?
Xiaolei, I kept calling Mom and Dad's house, but no one's been answering there.
Kitty, don't worry. Just call your brother and ask him.
I already called him, but he didn't answer.
Listen, I'm gonna call Da Shun and have him go there. Don't you worry, I'll be home soon, all right?
All right, please hurry. Is Dashun there?
Yeah, but no news yet. I just told him to call here.
Could something have happened to Zhao Yin?
I don't think so. Your brother's in Jinzhou. He should contact us if anything happens.
Today he came back a bit.
Yes?
Hello, Daddy?
Yes, Xiaoyun. It's Daddy.
Daddy, I really miss you. And Uncle Shun's right here. I got sick, so I went to the hospital. Grandpa, Grandma, Uncle, and Auntie, all of them stayed with me. It was great. I didn't have to attend school.
Zhao Yin, what happened to you?
Mommy!
Yes, it's Mommy. Tell me what happened to you.
I'm fine. I just got back home today.
Xiaoyun, what else happened? Is Grandma with you? Pass the phone to her.
Now
Here.
let Grandma
All right.
talk. Xiaohui, Kaiyan, you see what happened? Some kid in Xiaoyun's kindergarten got a case of the mumps and wound up infecting her. She's better now, just after a few days in the hospital. There's nothing for you to worry about.
Thank you, Mom. And to everyone else there.
Don't mention it. We're all family.
Mom, where's Dad?
Oh, your dad? He doesn't want to talk.
Is he still mad at me?
Oh, goodness, dear, no.
It's just your dad has been taking care of Xiaoyan all this time. Now that she's fine, I'm afraid your dad got sick.
He's asleep now. It's getting late. You two should go to bed.
But Dad
Don't
is...
worry. I'm still here. What's there to worry about?
We'll be fine. Okay, I'm hanging up.
Xiaolei, I gotta go back to Jinzhou.
I'll go with you.
But what about your work?
I can skip on the office. If we leave tonight, we can arrive tomorrow morning. Let's bring Dad some of the supplements we got here.
Hey, Mom.
Huh? Sweetie? Why are you back? Where's Xiaohui?
He's getting something from the car.
He's been driving all night long? Come on, eat something first before you catch some sleep, sweetie.
Oh, by the way, these supplements are for Dad.
You didn't need to do this.
These will help nurse him back to his health. At your age, you and Dad will definitely need more of these. We got so worried when we heard Dad got sick.
Oh, I'm glad that you're here then. Oh.
Hey.
Oh, Xiaohui.
Is it just you? Where's Dad and Xiaoyan?
Oh, Xiaoyun's just sleeping.
I'll go check on her. Hey, where's Dad?
Let's talk outside.
Wait, he's not home?
He's in the hospital. I just didn't want you to be worried.
Why is Dad in the hospital? What really happened to him?
You know he's always had a weak heart, and he's frequently tired. So the doctor kept him in the hospital for observation.
Which hospital is he in? We'll go and visit him.
The factory hospital. Please eat before you leave.
No, thanks, Mom.
Sorry.
But... just be careful on the road.
I will.
Don't worry.
Right.
There.
Here you go.
Dad.
Dad!
Why are you here? I'm just fine. Look, my arms and legs are fine. Don't cry, don't cry. I'm still alive here.
And still stubborn. How could you even call this healthy? His old comrade was bragging about how healthy he was and refused to take turns with me to take care of Xiaoyin. Now he has to stay here for an overhaul.
Will you shut up?
Seriously, Dad? You didn't even tell me you got sick. I'm not going back. I'm staying with you.
I said I'm fine, I'm fine. And why is Xiaohui here as well? No work today.
Dad, it's Sunday.
I'm so confused. Don't worry, I'm fine. Just stay for a while before you go back to Donghai. Work is important.
Dad. Take
Have
it
some
easy.
water. Don't try to talk. Just take it easy.
No worries. It's just an old problem.
Dad, how about transferring to a better hospital in the city? After all, the equipment and standards here are limited.
I kept telling him that, but he refused to listen.
I'm not moving. I'm fine here. Xiaowei, sit down first. I got something to say.
Right.
Kaiyan, you two, get out first.
Fine. Let's go, Kaiyan.
Xiaolei,
Dad,
Kaiyan and Qian Li, they'll rely on you now.
no, don't say that. You'll pull through this. Come on.
Kaiyan has never suffered all that much, and is used to being such a spoiled child, and she's foolish at times. She's especially ignorant about social intrigues, and if she does go too far, I won't blame you for it. But you got to understand that Kaiyan is truly meant for you.
She's gotten better as a wife. And don't you worry. I'll take care of her.
Now that your position is higher, more people around you will be taking closer note of you. Best to watch out.
I'll do that.
As you know, Cheng Li isn't smart. He didn't excel in school and joined Jinzhou plant after getting his specialist diploma. He doesn't even know how to speak well with his superiors. He's just a hopeless case. He can hardly survive in today's rough world. But he still has a good side. He's stubborn and a stickler for a reason. You know, equipment and raw materials procurement still involves quite a lot of money. It's inevitable for the staff to get greedy. Now, if Qian Li were in such a position, he can keep a close eye for you.
Dad, Chen Li can be transferred to Donghai. It's just the procurement position is too sensitive. It wouldn't be right to transfer him.
Xiaolei, I know it's tough for you. As a former plant director, I truly understand that. Remember when it was you who led the new machinery site in Jinzhou, plus the export section? Damn, so many people gossiped behind my back and accused me of cronyism. I felt so terrible, but I still got through it. Because you're the son I never had. I had to fight for you.
Dad, it's not the same.
I know. It's not the same. But that's my reason. Why would I fight for you? It was all for your future. And more importantly, Jinzhou's future development. You should know that it's quite important to have reliable insiders in top key positions. And Qian Li, he's very much a reliable insider. With him by your side, you can keep out the greedy outsiders at bay. This way, I can rest easy even if I'm no longer around.
Dad, I can still help Chen Li fight for a position in oil storage.
Dad! Dad!
Drink slowly.
Dad! Dad!
Dad!
Song Yunhui, our dad's literally dying here. Why can't you honor his wishes?
No, it's not like that, no. It's beyond my ability.
Tell me, how many Jinzhou staff did you transfer then? Why the hell can't you transfer me?
Out. Get out now, you stupid idiot.
It's always my fault. I was the one who took care of you when you got sick, and not him.
Chen Li, shut up! Can't you see
you
Dad's
shut
dying
up.
here?
No, you shut up.
No, you
If
shut
it
up!
wasn't for your brat, Dad wouldn't be sick right now.
Damn it, get out!
Dad, no.
Get out. Get out.
Settle down.
Dad.
Dad.
Get.
Doctor, we need your help.
Dad.
Just shut up!
Right this way.
It's all right, Dad. It's all right.
Put the oxygen mask on him. Mr. Cheng is having heart failure. He needs to rest. It's best not to disturb the patient.
Right. Thanks, Doctor.
Dad. Are you feeling better? Take it easy now.
Dad's sick because he insisted on taking care of your kid. Our dad promoted you. This family of ours took you in. It's not like we're asking too much here, right?
Get out. Get out.
Right. Hey, you heard what Dad said.
Have you already forgotten your damn surname?
You idiot! What gives you the right to scold me and Xiaolei? In this family, you're unreliable and useless. Haven't you angered him enough already? Just get out!
Hey,
Get out!
Dad.
Get out! Shut up! Just get out! Go! Daddy! You have to get better, please.
I'll be just fine. I promise. There's nothing to worry about. I beg of you. My boy, before I go, this is all I ask from you now. From now on, our family will never ask you again.
Dad. I really can't get him the procurement position. It's against my principles. Xiaoyan, Daddy's leaving.
Daddy, don't go.
Be good, Xiaoyan. Daddy will pick you up in a couple of days.
Xiaoyan, come with Grandma. Come here. Go on. Have a safe trip. No, don't you cry.
What's the matter?
I'm fine. I just need sleep.
Why are your hands so cold? Xiaolei, I wasn't mad at you. What's with you right now?
I just need sleep. I'm tired.
Please don't worry about my family. All right?
Yes, but I still have to apologize to him. He did take care of Xiaoyan after all. I'll just sleep first. I'm so tired.
They're gone.
They're gone.
Where's Xiaoyan?
She's with our neighbor.
Hey, Mr. Liu.
Oh, hey,
Can
hi.
I talk to you, or are you busy?
Well, no, not right now. I'm rushing to Mr. Song's office to pass him this Phase 2 equipment budget here. He's been waiting to report to Director General Liu.
Go ahead then. I'll just talk to him when you're all done.
Sure. I'll just get his clerk to give you a call when he's all done.
Right.
All right, then I know. Fine. I'm hanging up now. I got something here. Right. You want me to pick you up tonight? Okay. I'll pick you up from home after work. Sure. It can't be helped. That wife of mine, you know, she's like a child.
Right. Xiao Cheng's not all that bad, though. Unlike my wife.
So then? Is the new budget out?
Well, I just redid it based on the equipment you selected last time. Take a look.
Just 3 million lower?
It really can't go any lower. The key here is still the Japanese manufacturer's patent technology. So after adding the cost, there's no room to reduce the rest, even if you wanted to.
All right. I'll tell the Director General.
By the way, I just saw Han. He was on his way here. He said he'll look for you.
He comes to me once a day for the head of the pier.
Even Mr. Ma asked me once every few days, and both sides submitted their optimal capacity solutions. I guess you haven't read them either.
I have, but they're both still lacking. Zhao's still considering Donghai's existing conditions and thought of just working with a local port. But there's not much to it. And Jin's proposal is too exaggerated. Apart from the grand slogans, there's not a single word on implementation.
Right. But you know we can't delay this any longer. If we don't decide the head, it will delay the construction of the pier and affect the workers' morale.
We really shouldn't rush this. Our port's advantage is what sets Donghai apart from other companies in China. If our pier development just suddenly goes wrong, it would be a waste of Donghai's great geographical location.
Right. That said, I know it's for the good of the pier, but the crew might not think so.
All right. I'll go talk to Han and reply to them afterwards.
Great. You just gotta know what you're doing then. Good?
Why are you dressed so lovely today?
Really? It's just a suit.
Oh, your face too.
What about this?
This is average. However, it looks particularly nice on my kitty's lovely hand.
Well, aren't you a sweet talker? In that case, I'm not in a bad mood anymore, and I'll forgive you for being late. Hey, do you remember the address?
You told me several times. I memorized the map already.
I can always rely on your sharp memory.
I'm a bit curious though, just who exactly is this Sister Sui that we're meeting with? And why is this dinner so gosh darn important?
It's not like I don't value dining out with you. It's been a long time since we dined out as a couple.
So should I also change my outfit and put on something classier?
No, it's way too late. I mean, you really look great in anything. Even your dusty factory suit's just fine. Hey, you know what? They've all been saying that you look like a movie star compared to Mr. Ma and the rest of the oil crew.
Who said that?
Sister Shui and my team.
How does she know about Mr. Ma and my crew?
How should I know? I didn't gossip at all about your work. And besides, you don't tell me much when you're at home. I really don't know much at all.
She knows someone in our plant?
Of course. Her husband, he's from your plant.
Husband? Which department? What's his name?
I don't know. She didn't tell me. You're not mad, are you?
I'm not.
You know I can tell when you're upset. Xiaolei, it's just two couples having an ordinary evening. It's no big deal. And Sister Shui has been really good to me. My Pioneer Worker Award came from her, you know. It's actually my first award there. I really value it. Didn't you also say to get along better with my colleagues?
Yes, I'm happy that you're doing well.
So don't look so grim when we eat later, okay?
Sure.
And smile.